Have you ever looked at a clock and wondered, why does it say IV instead of 4? Or maybe you've seen XL, MCMXC, or even MMXXVI and thought, who invented this secret code? Well, don't worry, because by the end of this video, Roman numerals will make so much sense that you'll never look at them the same way again. Let's jump right in. Roman numerals were created thousands of years ago by the ancient Romans. Back then, they didn't have the numbers we use today, like 1, 2, 3, or 100. Instead, they used letters from their alphabet to represent numbers. Simple idea. But it can look confusing at first. There are only 7 basic Roman numerals you need to remember. I means 1. V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. And M means 1000. That's it. Just 7 symbols. Everything else is made by combining them. Now here's the easy part. If a smaller number comes after a bigger one, you add them together. For example, 6 is 6 because it's 5 plus 1. 8 is 8 because it's 5 plus 3. Think of it like collecting coins. Every extra coin increases the total. But then comes the little twist that confuses almost everyone. If a smaller numeral comes before a larger one, you subtract it. So 4 is not 6. It's 4 because 5 minus 1 equals 4. Similarly, 9 is 9 because 10 minus 1 equals 9. It's almost like the smaller number is saying, wait, I'm taking one away. Let's try a few more. 12 equals 12. That's 10 plus 1 plus 1. 17 equals 17. 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Easy, right? Now look at 40. Since X comes before L, you subtract. That's 50 minus 10, giving you 40. What about XC? That's 100 minus 10, which equals 90. See the pattern? Once you understand the subtraction rule, everything starts clicking. Now, let's build a bigger number. Take MCM. The first M is 1000. CM means 900 because C comes before M. Add them together, and you get 1900. Not as scary as it looked, right? Here's a fun challenge. What year is MMXXVI? Let's solve it. M is 1000. Another M is another 1000. XX is 20. VI is 6. So the answer is 2026. Congratulations! You just read a Roman numeral that looks like something from a treasure map. Now here's something funny. Imagine if your math teacher suddenly wrote Roman numerals in every exam. Please solve question number 27. Half the class would spend 5 minutes just figuring out what question to answer. Even today, Roman numerals are still everywhere. You'll see them on clocks, movie sequels, book chapters, monuments, and huge events like the Olympics or the Super Bowl. They may be ancient, but they definitely haven't retired. One important rule before we finish. You usually don't repeat the same numeral more than 3 times in a row. So instead of writing 4 as I1, Romans wrote 1, 5. Instead of 7, 8 for 9, they wrote 110. It keeps the numbers shorter and easier to read. Now, let's do one final lightning round. I equals 3, X, IV equals 14, XXY equals 25, XL, I equals 42, XC, IX equals 99. If you got most of those right, you're officially speaking the language of ancient Rome. So the next time someone points at a fancy clock or a movie title with mysterious letters, you can smile and say, that's not a secret code, that's just Roman numerals. Who knew learning a system that's over 2,000 years old could be this simple? If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still thinks IV is just a fancy decoration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.